In this video, I'm going to share the many benefits of this popular root vegetable. You probably are familiar with horseradish's kick. It's often used as a substitute for wasabi because it's less expensive than wasabi. But wasabi and horseradish are not the same plant. They're in the same family, but they're not the same. The botanical name of horseradish is Amaracea rusticana, and it's in the Brassicaceae family, which includes turnips and broccoli, cabbage, and mustard. It's a cold, hardy, perennial plant that's been cultivated for more than 2,000 years and has been used as medicine and as a condiment. The fresh roots are most often used, but the leaf has been used too. While you'll see dried and powdered preparations, I would stick to the fresh root because it loses its potency when it's dried. Its taste is pungent, and pungent herbs are typically stimulating. They tend to promote digestion, increase circulation, as well as appetite. They thin and remove mucus, they induce sweating, and they have germicidal properties, meaning that they kill parasites, bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms that cause infection and disease. Horseradish can be used for respiratory conditions like allergies, hay fever, congestion in the sinus and lungs, colds, influenzas, cough, sore throat, pneumonia, sinus infections, bronchitis, asthma. This is the ingredient in our allergy relief tincture, and now you understand why. We use it as a catalyst and of course for all of those respiratory actions that it helps to alleviate. You can find horseradish likely in your nearby grocery store, and again, it's best used fresh. The preparations are typically as a vinegar tincture or an alcohol tincture, an infusion less so, a glycerite, and topically as a poultice on the chest to break up stuck phlegm or on arthritic joints. It will rapidly bring blood to the surface, cause redness and irritation, so be sure to put a gauze barrier between the plant material and your skin, and definitely avoid getting it into your eyes or on open wounds. I would suggest using a food processor and grate it into smaller pieces and then really work quickly, because the longer it's exposed to air, the more the volatile oils are being released, and you want to capture those. Also, heat destroys the volatile oils, so most preparations are fresh and raw, though if you want to make a sauce, you can warm it up a bit and that would be fine. Some fun ways to consider adding horseradish to your diet include salad dressings, infused oils and butters, that would be really good, fire cider, and fermented, which you can then add to sandwiches and salads. So we're trying to eat 1/4 of a cup to 1/3 of a cup of fermented foods each day, and I want to add this to our salads. But again, not too much, because remember, small amounts are best.